Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's probably hit all of us at one point. Why does my money disappear like my ex? If you've ever had that moment when you started the month feeling in control, but by the end of the week, you're wondering where all your money went, this video is for you. We're going to break down the top reasons why you constantly find yourself spending everything and how to stop it. Let's get started. The first is unconscious spending, the coffee habit. Think about how many times a day you spend money without even thinking about it. You grab a coffee, buy a snack, take an Uber instead of the subway. These small purchases don't seem like much, but when you add them up over a month, they can amount to a significant amount. The problem here is that we often buy things out of habit, not necessity. We're not really thinking about whether we need them, but rather just reacting to the moment. So start tracking every purchase you make, no matter how small. Apps like Mint or YNAB, you need a budget, can really help you keep tabs on your spending and see where that money is going. The second is no budgeting. A lot of people think they can live without a budget, but this is one of the main reasons why money slips through your fingers. Without a plan, we often just go with the flow, not realizing where our money is going until it's too late. The solution is to create a simple budget. Just categorize your spending into basic areas like rent, food, entertainment, and savings. This helps you see where you're overspending and gives you control over your finances. Emotional spending is another culprit. How often do you buy something to cheer yourself up? Stress, boredom, or even a bad day can make us reach for our wallets, thinking a new item will make us feel better. But that satisfaction is short-lived, and the money is gone, leaving us with nothing but regret. Solution: before making a purchase, ask yourself, do I really need this, or am I just reacting to my emotions? Try to find healthier ways to cope with stress, like exercise, meditation, or talking to a friend. Emotional spending is often an impulse that fades once you take a breath. Next reason is buying things on sale or clearance. How many times have you bought something just because it was on sale, even though you didn't need it? Stores are masters at getting us to spend more by offering discounts. But if we're not careful, we end up with things we didn't plan on buying. Solution: before grabbing that amazing deal, ask yourself if you really need the item. If not, walk away. Remember, just because something is on sale doesn't mean it's a bargain if you never use it. Fifth reason is lack of savings or emergency fund. When you don't have a financial cushion, unexpected expenses can throw you off track. Without savings, you may end up dipping into your checking account for things that weren't planned, which leads to overspending. Solution: start building an emergency fund, even if it's just a small amount each month. Aim for at least 3 to 6 months worth of expenses, but even having a few hundred saved for emergencies can give you peace of mind and prevent you from going into debt when something unexpected happens. Another reason is the later mentality. We often tell ourselves, "I'll save money later," or "I'll start budgeting next month." But that later mentality can easily turn into never. Procrastinating when it comes to your finances means that you're not making progress and might end up in a situation where you have no savings and too many expenses. Solution: start right now. Even if you only take small steps toward budgeting and saving, it's better than waiting. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Next reason is misunderstanding wealth. Many people think that if they earn more, they can afford to spend more. But increasing your income without changing your spending habits just means you'll end up in the same place. Without proper budgeting, even a higher salary can disappear quickly. Solution: shift your mindset. Wealth is not just about earning more, it's about managing what you have. Learn to save and invest and keep your expenses in check, no matter how much money you make. And the last reason is social pressure and keeping up with others. Social media, ads, and even peer pressure can make you feel like you need to spend money to keep up with trends or impress others. But just because everyone else is buying the latest gadget or wearing expensive brands doesn't mean you need to too. Solution: learn to say no to comparison. Focus on your own goals and your own needs, not what others are doing. Remember, buying things just to fit in often leads to unnecessary spending and regret. So, those are the top reasons why your money disappears like your ex, and how you can stop it. The key to keeping your finances in check is awareness and control. Start tracking your spending, create a budget, and stop letting emotions drive your purchases. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment about your own experiences with money disappearing. What do you think has been the biggest reason for your spending habits? Let me know below. See you in the next video.